Hi guys, good evening. It's evening that I do is to going to sleep, guys. So this guys is I was going to sleep, but I will go to bed and sleep and bye bye. So with a smile, guys. And now, so let's wake up, guys. It's the morning, guys. So yeah, nice one. And I'm doing that so suddenly happy, guys, because I'm going to work and of my trainees, guys. So I'm sorry for my English because my English is so very nice. So before walk up, before stand, guys. So let's have a daily exercise. That's why I like that. Yes, sir. Oh, nice. Oh, that's my daily exercise, guys. So let's go out, guys. So let's go out of my house. So now I open the door and close. So not close, so close. So that's why, guys, I will cockroach my pet. So let's be a show your cutest face. Now I show you my view of our country. So with a nice garbage and the green tree of leaves, so nice. So that's why I will drink a coffee, hot coffee, and I get pandesal. So I can show you pandesal. It's a very you know what, the pandesal is expired. So I drink a hot coffee. Oh, so that's why, guys, I will do this commercial break like the cinematic. So take one. Oh, if you have me, you will get my noisy. Oh shit. So guys, so let's take two. Yes. Oh, if you have this coffee, don't drink this because it's not promoted. Just no. Sorry, bro. Nescafe. So that's why I put it the pandesal, but I know it's expired of date. So that's why I will focus that and will hipos then. So now, guys, I will prepare to go to work of my trainees because our trainees are waiting for me. So that's why I prepare like a ninja turtle, and we mix a Batman. So now, oh yeah, because my work is with the I'm a professor of assessor. So let's try this. Do this, mga guys. Goodbye. So now, guys, so I have this trainees, so very talented of welding, guys. She is a strong, he is a strong man because he have no gloves, and one is looking for the welding and me. Oh shit, I'm so cute. So that's why, guys, so let's see how I weld. So after done all my trainees, she passed the welding for me because I checked this. So first is nice, but have undercut. So but she have 8% for me, and the second is have a blue holes, but it's so nice of a deeply of tumoy. So it's a nice of 5%, and the last one, the third is so very I don't know. She have a more practice, more, and she have a stone quack and skinny pig. So buko sanay. So bye, guys. Dear Kutog. Og saghang salamat og thank you for watching. Goodbye mga guys, mga besh, mga bye, mga boys. Happy for me.